Hey guys, it's me Leah, and today I'm doing a makeup tutorial. I'm a little bit older, not like I'm gonna do like crazy makeup, but I'm gonna do like the kid kind of makeup. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to be using today is concealer. This is called the Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to tap it under my eyes. Okay. Now I'm just going to use this brush, and I'm going to and I'm just going to rub it and tap it, just try and make it blend in a little. Okay, now I'm going to blend in the other eye. I'm just going to keep tapping it and rubbing it in to just kind of get it really into my eye. Okay, now I'm going to use the powder. It is called Sun Browns powder. That's what I'm going to be using today with this little brush. I'm just going to rub it kind of under my eye while I put the concealer. Okay, now I'm going to do the other eye. Hold on, let me rub that in. Okay. I'm going to put it on my nose a little because... Okay, so now I have it under my eye. Next thing I'm going to do is highlighter. So what I'm doing today for highlighter is I'm going to do Becca. It's called Becca highlighter, and it is called the name of it is called Champagne Pop. One second. Pop this right open. So now we have this Becca Champagne Pop. You can see myself. I'm just gonna do the highlighter right here. Okay, now we have highlighter. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is my eyebrows. Okay, these eyebrows, this eyebrow stuff that I'm going to be putting on my eyebrow today is called e.l.f. The color I'm going to use is this color right here because it's good. Next thing I'm going to use is the Academy of color Matte versus Metal. I'm going to use it with this brush. And I'm going to use this color right here. It's called Toast. I don't know why. Toast, this one. And what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to put it like right here before I do the actual eyeshadow. So. I'm going to do my other eye. Whoa. And the next thing I'm going to do is this Naked 3 Urban Decay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wet this brush right here in water, and then I'm going to wipe it off. So it's just a little bit wet. Don't want it too wet. And what color I'm going to use is I'm going to use this Fuse color, the one with this one with the dot on it. Okay. The next cut. Wait, I got it. Can do the other eye. Same thing. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do, put that back in, is I'm going to take this lighter little pink right here that has this dot on it. It is called the Dust. It's called Dust. And I'm going to use this, and it's lighter, and I'm going to put it right here. Okay. Not going to put too much. I'm going to put it right here around my eye. I'm going to do the other one. A little more. Shine up the side a little. Okay. So now I have little sparkles on the two sides of my eyes. Put this up. And the next thing I'm going to do is my mascara. This is from New York. It's the Colo Cecil Volume Express. Now, the last but not least, lipstick. This is NYX professional makeup lipstick. So Smells good. It's like a cupcake. Okay. Okay. Okay, Miranda. Okay, hold on. Okay, guys, so this is my makeup. If you guys can see good enough. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you need any things, I will leave these supplies in the like this stuff that I'm using today. If you want the same makeup style, I'm gonna leave this stuff in the description below. And if you don't need any of this stuff in the description, and you've been like noting the whole time, I've been like showing it up in the camera. Do it your way. I don't care. Your way. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys watch all my videos. And if you want more if you want more challenges, more makeup tutorials, more like maybe a back handspring tutorial, maybe a back walkable tutorial, and all kinds of things like that. A front walkable tutorial. You need to subscribe and thumbs up, especially if you're new to my channel. Just make sure to leave a big like and share this video with anyone you want. If you don't want to share it, you don't share it. It's up to you guys. So, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe and thumbs up. I love you guys. Bye.